Thank you, Carol, for collaborating with me on this video. I've been using Care of services for the past year now, and I highly recommend them. Care of is a subscription service that ships high quality vitamins, supplements, powders to you every month. Care of's quiz takes all the guesswork out of building your own routine. The quiz asks you questions about your lifestyle, what specific vitamins and supplements I recommend for your specific goals and needs. I personally have a vegan lifestyle, so I focus more on bone health, such as vitamin D and B12. And I love how they evolve with you every time, so you can always retake the quiz. And I really love their personalized packs because they have cute little quotes, as well as that they are made from plant-based compostable film. Another feature is that they're very portable and they're easy to travel with. I obviously brought them abroad with me, and I can easily put them in my bag as I'm out and exploring the city. Take Care of's quiz and see what vitamins and supplements they recommend for you. Click on the link below or scan the QR code on the screen and use my code Karina Gomez 50 for 50% off your first order with Care of. Thank you so much, Care of, for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and now let's get back to it.
Un seul? Ok.
Cappuccino. Yeah. Oats.
Oatmeal? Medium or large?
Medium.
Medium? For here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 640 please. 6,40 €, c'est bon. It's okay. So kiss it, I'm coming to you. Thank you. Voilà. Cappuccino with oatmeal. Merci. Bonjour.
So now I'm walking to the supermarket. It's 2:30, and then I'll walk back to the apartment, and then from there, yeah, we'll head to the museum. But had such lovely time. I read a book that I found in the apartment, and it's Hemingway, and it's so good. I've never read Hemingway. I think I did in high school maybe, but I like it. Just quite in a hurry because I just have to use the bathroom and take some pills, and yeah, gonna get going. But I just bought these chips that, like, I don't know why I went to the supermarket and they didn't have it, but I'm obsessed with these, so I got two of them. They're these Lay's, and it's in this flavor called spicy. Not spicy at all, but it's definitely savory. Freaking addicted to these. So I got two because last time I went to the supermarket they didn't have them. I was like, okay, So I went to the mini market, and obviously the mini market was a little bit more expensive. I spent like 14 euros, but convenience of not walking too far. But I also got some pads for just later on, like for my non-heavy days, because I have pads that I brought from me from the States that is for my heavy days. And then when I'm not heavy, I don't like to use those because I'm still gonna get my period throughout the whole trip. So I'm trying to save them as much as I can. And I also bought like something basic, but it's just a cleaner to clean like the sinks, the toilets, the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna need that eventually. So that's basically it. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Taking stuff out of my purse because I'm taking this little purse, which I thrifted at the, was it the Silver Lake Flea? Really nice for $5, so pretty good. It has been very handy. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and then we'll head out and we're going to the museum, which I'm so excited. I love museum days. I cannot wait to go to the Monet Gardens in Germany, which I need to plan next, and then we're gonna go to Disneyland. So it's gonna be a fun last 2 weeks here. But okay, using the bathroom, then heading out because it takes about 20 minutes and it'll be 3 o'clock soon, and my ticket's for 3:30. So let's go. I literally have a book at home about Monet and there's paintings in there, so I'm like freaking out because I was just reading it the other day.
Intentando no mirar atrás, tu sonrisa rosa la ansiedad, porque hoy todo.
This painting is literally in my apartment right now. I can't believe I see it in person.
Y te vas lejos de aquí, apenas por sobrevivir. Un paraíso artificial. Llévame a tu isla tropical. Rebotando en la repetición. Ya no quiero dormir nunca más. Estos ojos tendrán que aguantar para bien.
I came to grab dinner. It's 7, and I brought me to one of my favorite vegan spots here that I've been coming like non-stop. So it's so good. My apartment has a piano, and earlier this week I went to go get batteries because it didn't have any, and I thought, why not play, because it's just sitting there teasing me. So I don't sight read. I kind of read music, but I'm so out of practice, so this is my form of reading music. So I wrote down this, and I wrote it in a way that I can play it. So I was kind of playing that, but then I was kind of going based on memory. So I thought I'd just play a little piano for y'all. The way this shot is, right in front of the window, you can see the Eiffel Tower, but you can't really tell on this camera. just like so hard to look at the letters and then try to play it. I'm like, wait, what? I'm lost. I'm lost. I think it's just also the way I wrote it. But like, and then my fingers, I don't position my hands right. This is not a comfortable way of playing. Something like that, y'all. That's how you do it.